Okay, so good day. So I wanted to screen record on my laptop, but the software is not really working straightforward. So I decided to record with my video, with my phone rather. So in that case, the quality might be a little blur, but you can just manage for that. Okay. So the first thing first. So this is Whisk, right? And this is Cloud AI. You can also use ChatGPT if you like, but now here is what you are going to be doing. You have your script already, you have your voiceover already, but before then, me, I don't have script already, so I decided to generate one. First thing first, greeting exchange between me and AI, and then I need help. I told you I need help with my faceless storytelling, blah blah blah. So what kind AI script, blah blah blah, can you see? So I choose folk tales and all that, and I think the medium is 7 to 10 minutes, and I want something that is culture related. So Nigeria, Yoruba, Igbo and Hausa, and the specific one was from Igbo. You understand? Now it's all about a love and sacrifice story. So this is not a script that is suitable to like to post on the internet. You understand? But then this is just like an experiment season. So what do I like gain here? So after AI gave me the script, right? So now look at the next prompt. What I asked him to, I said list out characters in this script. You understand? So the script that he just generated for me, I said he should list out characters. Always remember, list out characters. That is what we are going to be using to generate script. Now that it has list out the characters, the next thing we have to do is give me image prompt for each characters here. So it's going to give us image prompts for each characters. So that's what we are going to be, understand? So let's just wait. Now here it is. Here are AI image prompt for each characters for Leonardo AI and blah blah blah. So Adaeze, yeah. So this is what we are going to be generating first. Remember, this is prompt for Adaeze, and remember that automation is something that we need consistent image for it. So you are going to copy this. You can adjust it as you see fit, but and go back to Whisk. You understand? You know how to get here. I'm very sure. So just paste. You understand? But then we just read it very well and check for something that you like. Let's see. Is it cool? Okay, wearing a traditional Kura build. Let's check it out first. Remember to check the size. Is in landscape, so it's very important. So we are going to be waiting for this one to generate. Oops, something went wrong. Let's try again. We are going to be waiting for this to download, right? Or rather generate. So this is prompt for Chukwuemeka, and you understand? So we are going to be doing the same thing for Mazi Obiora too, you understand? Which is I think that's Ade is the father. You understand? So we are going to, well, that's why I said this one is not suitable for posting. We should be Oguike again, but then it's fine. So let's just wait a little. And so this is what AI gave to us here, and we are going to be checking it each. Let's see which one is. Even though I'm coming, if you notice that like the thing is actually kind of so I think I'm coming. Let's see which one. Or we can, if you are not satisfied with the old look and all that, you can readjust your prompt and all. But I think I'm going to go for this one just for the sake of this. So I'm going to be downloading this one now and use it over here again to check if it's going to make sense. If it's not going to make sense, I'm going to reprompt it for now. So let me just save the image. So you save it. Adaeze, Adaeze, whatever. So I'm going to be saving that right here. Okay. Now So what next? So now I'm going to be taking the downloaded this, I'm going to put it here. You understand? Remember, you drag it here. If you are using this on your phone, you are going to click on the button, this one, this particular one, this plus button here. You are going to be clicking on the plus button, and it's going to get you directly to your phone photos, and you are going to upload it directly from there. You understand? So this one is still analyzing to see if we can actually use that. So now, before this thing finish loading, we need something for um let's generate the other guy. So which other guy is that? I think Chukwuemeka. So let's generate Chukwuemeka too. Why this one is still loading? So just Control V. That's all. Now we are going to be generating this, and let's see what it's going to give us. Remember, we have generated a daisy already. You understand? Now it remains the other guy, I mean the lover. Let's create love for him. Now, okay, I don't like this, I don't like it, but let's see what the second one is going to give us. Okay, you can see that this one has stopped rolling, so that means it's very ready to go. Can you see that the two that was generated was kind of the same thing here? So let's see. I think I'm going to go for this, like the this thing is kind of clear, you get. So let's save this also. Chuku Abi Chuku. Yeah, so we're downloading that, and then download, and we are going to drag it here, the second scene. Understand? So let's see, it's done. So drag it here. So which kind of nonsense is this now? About so drag it here. Hey, so it's going to also start analyzing too. Now if you want to, like, you can also generate the others. You can see we still have more to generate, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to be teaching you just to, like, I'm just going to be generating two right here. So that is the two that we need here. So you can do the same, even if it's 5, even if it's 10. So now that we have gotten both of our characters here, now it is now time for us to, like, get the two persons together. You understand? We want to get two of them together, both Adaeze and Chukwuemeka. So we want to get them to stay together. So what we are going to do is that we are going to be marking both of it. You can see both of it is marked. You understand? Now if you want to mark it, you are going to mark it here. You can see, but let's mark it. So I'm very sure you can understand what I'm saying. Now it's just right now we need to, like, get them together. So what we are going to be doing is, we, like, AI has know that this is the female, this is the male. So let the female in the first frame, the first the first frame where a let me see something. So let the female in the first frame and the guy in the second frame stay together while facing each other. Yeah, so while facing each other, and each other under, or rather other each other in a modern, or should we use modern or urban, in an urban village square. Okay, let's use square since we are going local, not modern city. So let the female in the first frame and the guy in the second frame stay together, we are facing each other in an urban village square, smiling, yeah. Let's just keep it simple, you understand? We can go to the complicated process later, so let's see what is going to give us. So you can see that both of it is marked. If not, if you did not mark it and you are telling AI to the guy and the no, it's not going to work, you understand? It's going to like look at you like mumu. So obviously you have to mark both of it together. If I want 5 people to be together, this is what I'm going to be do. I'm going to put every person here. You can add this thing. This is plus. Can you see I've added another slot? You can also add another slot again after this one, so you can keep adding slots till you have enough slot to like put all your characters in. So the characters that you want to be together, so let's say Baba Adeze now, Chief, what's the name, sef? Mazi Obiora, I don't know, is in this frame like this, and then that witch is also here, so we can practically get more slots. It does not matter. Now we are going to be waiting for it to generate, so let's see what it's going to give us. So it has been generated. Okay, so if you guys notice here, you are going to you are going to see that both of the character is very similar, you understand? So this is what we ask them to do, to be facing each other and be smiling. So this is how to put two character in one place. I hope you get me now. So this is practically joining two characters at the same place. We are adding two characters. If you want to add theory, whatever you want them to be doing, always remember that if there is one or two guy in this thing, remember that this is okay, this is frame 1, this is frame 2, this is frame 1, this is frame 2. Always specify by frame that this is the first frame, this is this. So in case you have like 5 people that you want to add together in one image, you tell them that let the one in the first frame wear this blah 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 type of clothes, let this one be wearing this type of clothes, and make everything make sense all together, you understand? And always remember that you are going to be adding it one by one. For example, now if I want both of them to like maybe, let me see, something complicated, make sure you calm down and prompt it very well in a way that AI is going to understand what you mean, you understand? Now that you have all your image and all, so I'm going to be generating let me use this one. So let me use this one. So Ada 001 Ada 01. So save. The reason I'm putting name is that just to recognize everything. So now you guys have the script already, you guys have voiceover. So what you are going to be doing now is generate all the image. Yeah, assuming Grok was still free, I'm going to be animating some 1 or 2, but I'm sure we are going to be solving the animation part later, you understand? But then go and use all the video that you have now, go and generate according to your script. Generate it according to your script, you understand? So now what you are going to be doing right now, yeah, is that go to Cloud AI. After this video, go to Cloud AI or wherever you generated your script from, and tell it rather to generate, to list out the